Hey guys, the family's here in DC and we are taking you along on our adventures. And today we're in the Capitol, here in the mall. The girls are playing in the lawn. It's a great day. It's not too crowded, a little warm. Potentially some rain soon, but we're having a great day and we can't wait to show you some of the things we see.
Okay guys, we are in the National Mall right now. We're kind of in the middle. The Washington Monument is straight ahead and the Capitol building is right behind us. So we're kind of in the middle. Kind of, I say. I bet the Washington Monument is probably the middle. But there's a ton of construction going on. Tons and tons of people down here. People playing sports, people riding bikes. They're actually building something here. We're actually spending the night here in DC tonight. We're going to be spending the night over at the Navy Yard at the Homewood Suites. So maybe we'll do a little room tour for you guys and do a little different video of that. But yeah, we're spending some time down here. There's the middle Yinzer right here walking. So we're gonna have some fun and hopefully show you some other stuff around DC. Maybe the White House, Abe, when we get closer to the monument. So with tons of stuff going on, tons of food trucks. So let's see what else we find. One of the crazy things is here, you can actually see this plane taking off from one of the local airports. And they take off pretty much right behind the Washington Monument. It looks like it's going to hit it, but it doesn't because they are still pretty far away. But wouldn't that be awesome if you were at that airport taking off and getting to see DC from the air? Okay guys, we are on the back side of the White House. We're over here, I think it's the North View they call it. So we're trying to get to it to kind of show a view, but this is what it looks like so far. I think this is back lawn over here. But we're trying to get a good view. So hopefully the next clip you see will be at the White House. Okay guys, so here we are on the back side of the White House. This is about as close as we can get. They do have these signs up here that say restricted, do not enter. Right now there is Secret Service all around here. There's actually one over in this van. There's a couple other ones that we passed too, but it is pretty cool. There's actually Secret Service right there in that van too. But yeah, it's pretty cool to see this with the fountain and everything. So we're gonna go around to the other side and show you a view from there. Okay, so here we are. We are on the front side of the White House, which we're going to get a better picture, but you've got some Secret Service over here by their cars. It actually is starting to rain, so we're not sure how much more we're going to get for you, but let's see if we can get you here. Tons and tons of people out here. Looks like it was blocked off not that long ago, which is because of some do not enter stuff, but the Secret Service over here. Yeah, but it is starting to rain. But here we go. This is actually the view that everybody wants to see here, and we're about to show you. It is definitely packed here. People galore. But here's the view right here. Pretty cool to be out front. Okay guys, I'm switching to my phone now, but we are at the World War II Memorial here in DC. All the way back there is Abe, and over here is the Washington Monument. So the World War II Monument Memorial is actually pretty cool. Fountain, another plane taking off, but yes, it's pretty cool. Every state here is represented. You got the Atlantic over here to the right. You got the Pacific over here, so really cool. Tons of people though. Actually, it looks like might be a wedding party right here too. But yes, I switched to my phone only because it's starting to pour. Yeah, it's starting to rain, so it's getting a little bit, didn't want to pull out the good camera, get it ruined here. I'm trying to find my family though, because now, oh, there they are. They're all the way over here. Pretty cool. Looks like they're gonna put their feet in, but it looks like the bride's right there. So good. Okay guys, here we are at the reflecting pool. Abe is down there, and again, there's the Washington Monument, but it's not reflecting today because it is pouring here. So there's the middle Yinzer again. But yes, we are going to go up and see Abe, and then we actually just got notification that our room is ready. So let's go see Abe. Okay guys, here we are at Abe right there. This is pretty wild. And you're supposed to be quiet too. Here's a lot of people, but it is also pouring outside. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but there we go.
Can you send me a picture?
We're at the Korean Memorial. What's kind of nice is everything's covered in trees, so it's actually pretty dry. But yeah, this is pretty neat seeing this. I bet it'd be really awesome to see this at night when the lights are on, shining and illuminating these soldiers and these guys just walking through the woods. And you have this awesome wall. The pictures are etched in it. It's pretty wild. This is honestly one of the cooler memorials here, I feel like. Really cool. You can see the Washington Monument off in the distance, and these guys are just walking. It's pretty wild to see. It's very quiet here too. Not a lot of people talking, except for me, mostly. It looks like all the names might be over here. So that was about all the footage we were able to get while we were in DC. It did start raining a little bit harder. So the next two clips I'm actually going to show you are from our rooftop hotel at the Homewood Suites. There was an actual Washington Nationals game going on, and we could actually watch the game from our rooftop. So I'm going to show you two clips from there, and then I'm also going to post a clip of the changing of the guard at Arlington National Cemetery. We actually went there the day after and were able to witness this, and it's pretty cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I am Staff Sergeant Hasso Campagna of the 3rd Infantry Regiment, United States Army, and of the relief, Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. The ceremony that you are about to witness is the changing of the guard. In keeping with the dignity of this ceremony, it is requested that everyone remain silent and standing. Thank you. Shoulder! Out! 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 Better! Ice! Eisen! Out! Halt! Your orders.
Halt! And order. Well, main is directed.
Order. Acknowledged.
Allez! Ice! Eisen! Out! Right! Shoulder! Out! House! Right! Ice! Out!